hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. In this video, I am going to explain 10th class Maths State Syllabus Chapter 3 Polynomials. In that exercise 3.3, first question I am going to explain. Before going to that, now today is the 1st June, right? Now all my dear students, physically and mentally be ready to go to the school. Okay, and you prepare mentally yourself. Okay, take care your health also. Okay, now before going to explain this question, let me read the question from the textbook. First question: find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. First we should find the zeros for the given quadratic polynomial, right? This is a given quadratic polynomial. First question, first bit. So for this, first we should find the zeros. How to find the zeros? To get the zeros, given polynomial, we should equate to 0, right? So that only I am doing now. X square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. This is the given quadratic polynomial. I am equated to 0. Why? Because to get the zeros. Okay, now factorize this. If you factorize 8 ones are 8. Why? Because here constant here quotient of x square is 1 is there. So 8 into 1, 8. Now we want minus 2 here. For which combination if you take? So here 4 2s are 8. Okay. We want minus 2. From minus 4 subtract plus 2. Then you will get minus 2. Right? Now this combination only we should take. Okay, x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0, right? Now, in these two terms, take x common. Remaining here x square is there. If you take x common, remaining one more x will be x minus 4. Why? Because we took x as common, right? So, plus, here in these two terms, take 2 common. Remaining x minus 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8 you will get, right? This is 0. Okay. Now, in this 2, see this common term, right? So, x minus 4 remaining x plus 2 is equal to 0. If product is equal to 0 means it will become 0 or it will become 0. Yes or no? So, x minus 4 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. If you take transpose, minus 4 will become plus 4. Here if you take transpose, plus 2 will become minus 2. Here what are the zeros? 4 and minus 2 are the zeros. Therefore, 4 comma minus 2 are zeros of x square minus 2x minus 8. Okay. Now, we should verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. Let us take these two zeros as alpha and beta. Okay. Let alpha is equal to 4, beta is equal to minus 2. Okay. Now, this is the zeros. Now, we are writing sum of zeros. Alpha plus beta. 4 minus 2 plus 2. Okay, one is plus 4, one is minus 2, right? So, alpha plus beta, what we got it? Sum of zeros, 2. Now, what about product of zeros? Alpha into beta, 4 into minus 2. Plus into minus, minus 4 2s are 8. Product of zeros, we got it minus 8. So, will we get same by using the formula also that we should verify. This is the zeros and we should verify with the coefficients also. Let us take the given quadratic polynomial and should compare with the general polynomial. General quadratic polynomial, what is that? Ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. Now, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to minus 8. Okay. Here ax square plus bx plus c form is there, no? So that. Now if you compare with this general formula, you will get this ABC values. Now sum of the zeros. Sum of zeros. Formula we have now alpha plus beta minus b by a. Okay, minus b by a. Minus of minus 2 by a. A is 1. What you will get? Plus 2. So sum of zeros according to the formula also we got it plus 2. Now compare. Got it now? Next. Product of zeros. Product of zeros. Alpha beta. What is the formula? C by A. What is C here? Minus 8. A 1. So here minus 8. Product of zeros also minus 8. This is by using formula. This is by using the zeros only. What we got zeros, by using the zeros, what we got answers, same answers you will get the by using formula also, general formula also. This is how we can verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. Understand? In this way we should solve the first question. Okay, once take the screenshot. In the similar way, few more bits also there. Same process we should. Okay, so second also I am going to explain second bit. Little bit fast I will explain. Why? Because easy only, no, these are very simple. Second one is 4s square minus 4s plus 1. Second bit, given polynomial 4s square plus 4s minus 1. No, here plus 4s minus 4s plus 1. This is the given quadratic polynomial. Okay. For this, first we should find the zeros, right? Now, here, factorize it. 4 ones are 4. Okay, we want minus 4. How to get? If you take this combination, we will not get minus 4. So, again 2 2s are 4. So, minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 you will get. So, we got it. So, 4s square minus 2s minus 2s plus 1. Okay. Now, in these two terms, see 2 is common, s is also common. So, 2s I am taking common. Now, 2s, one more 2s it will be. 2 2s are 4, s into s square. Minus, here 2s already we took common, so here minus 1 will be. Here take minus 1 common. If you take minus 1 common, here 2s minus 1. Okay, so minus into plus minus 2s, minus into minus plus 1 into 1, 1 you will get. Okay, now in this 2s minus 1 is common, remaining 2s minus 1. This is 2s. Don't think that is 25. Okay, be careful. Okay, now which is equal to 0 now? You take polynomial now. So if you equate to 0, 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2s is equal to plus 1, transpose of minus 1 plus 1, transpose of 2 divided by 2. Why? Because here multiplication is there. So if you transpose, it will get division. So similar way here also 1 by 2. So if you take alpha is equal to 1 by 2, beta is equal to 1 by 2. These are the zeros. Okay, are zeros of 4s square minus 4s plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now we should find the relationship between the zeros and coefficients, right? Zeros here, sum of zeros. Sum of zeros. Sum of zeros 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Half plus half, simply what we will get? 1. Otherwise take the LCM also we will get 1. Okay, product of zeros. Product of zeros. Product of zeros, half into half. So 1 into 1 by 2 into 2. Why? Because product of numerators by product of denominators. Both we are multiplying 1 by 4. So product of zeros we got it 1 by 4. Product of zeros we got it 1 by 4. Okay. Now take the general quadratic polynomial. 4s square minus 4s plus 1 is equal 0. You can compare with the general quadratic polynomial. Okay. If you compare, you will get a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 4. Okay. C is equal to plus 1. Okay. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. B plus we have minus 4. C plus we have plus 4. Sorry. A plus we have plus 4. C plus we have plus 1. Right. Now sum of zeros. Alpha plus beta minus b by a. We have formula na. Minus of minus 4 divided by 4. So minus into minus plus 4 by 4. What we got? 1. That is alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Now product of zeros. So alpha beta. That is c by a. Okay. C is what? 1. A is what? 4. 1 by 4. Means that alpha beta we got it 1 by 4. Right. So here by using formulas we got it sum of zeros 1. Here sum of zeros what we got? 1. Right. Now product of zeros 1 by 4 we got it. Product of zeros 1 by 4. Okay, we verified the relationship between zeros and the coefficients. Okay, this is the second bit. In the first question only second bit. Actually here given 6 bits are given. Okay, remaining bits I hope you will do that. Okay, just for this model I explained to 2 questions so that remaining you can able to do. Yes or no? Now I am going to explain second question. Okay, if unable to solve remaining bits, once post comment, then I will explain one more video of that remaining bits. Okay, if you do comment, then only I will explain. Otherwise I will not explain. Why? Because I hope you will do that questions at same model questions. Right? Now second question, very easy only, na? This easy and interesting also, right? Next, second question, let me read before going to solve. Find the quadratic polynomial in each case with the given numbers as the sum and product of its zeros respectively. Find the quadratic polynomial, right? In each case with the given numbers. Second question, given that find the quadratic polynomial in each case with the given numbers as the sum and product of zeros respectively. Here sum is given, product is also given. For this given information we can find the quadratic polynomial, right? So here first bit is 1 by 4 comma minus 1. Means that here sum of zeros, this is the product of zeros. Okay. Now we should write the quadratic polynomial for that. Okay. Now here sum of zeros means alpha plus beta 1 by 4. Product of zeros alpha beta minus 1. This is sum of zeros, this is product of zeros. They are given in the question. Now we should write the quadratic polynomial. General formula of quadratic polynomial. If you know the sum of zeros, product of zeros, then we have formula x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. This is the general quadratic polynomial. If they will give sum of zeros, product of zeros, we should use this formula. Okay. Now x square minus of alpha plus beta 1 by 4 into x plus alpha beta minus 1. Okay. X square minus 1 into x by 4 plus into minus 1. Now take LCM. Here any number not there means 1. No? For 1 and 4 is the LCM. No? Yes or no? Here 4 is the LCM. Now here 1 in 4 times it will go. So 4x square minus here 4 in 4 one time only it will go. So minus x Here 1 in 4, 4 times it will go. So 4 into 1, 4. Okay. Now after getting LCM, then you will take the transpose of denominator, so it will becomes 0. It will becomes 0. For understanding, I am taking as 0. So if you take transpose 4 into 0, 0 it will get. 4x square minus x minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic polynomial we found from the given information. Okay. Here, find the quadratic polynomial. This is only the required quadratic polynomial. Is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. The same model. One more bit also I am going to explain. Second bit. I hope you understand. So second bit I am going to explain. Second bit is here. Second bit is root 2 comma 1 by 3. Root 2 comma 1 by 3. Now sum of the zeros. Here alpha plus beta is equal to root 2 comma alpha beta is equal to 1 by 3. Right? Now here we should write the quadratic polynomial. So general formula for quadratic polynomial, x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Now x square minus of alpha plus beta root 2x plus alpha beta 1 by 3 which is equal to 0. Now here x square minus root 2x plus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. Now here denominator any number not there means we should take as 1. So here 3. For 1 and 3 LCM is 3, right? Now 3 in 3. Sorry, 1 in 3, 3 times it will go. So 3 into x square minus here 3 root 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. If you transpose it will become 0. So 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic polynomial. Okay. Here the same model remaining also there. Okay. Remaining bits also there. Here only 4 bits are given. First two I explained, remaining you can able to do that. Same model. Okay. I hope you understand. Thank you for more videos. Subscribe my channel, support me. Have a nice day. Bye.